Motorola's proven tough theme is not just talk. These original Motorola batteries earned their title through rigorous laboratory testing. Motorola put their batteries in a head-to-head challenge against competitive batteries. The challenge featured drop testing, vibration testing, and electrostatic discharge testing. These tests simulated the three most common causes of battery failure. Dropping a radio is inevitable. It happens every day. But that shouldn't mean your battery creates problems. 5 models of original Motorola batteries were tested against their counterparts from 4 alternative brands. Each drop cycle consisted of dropping the radio 6 times. Once on the top, the bottom, the sides, the front, and the back. Then the cycle was repeated 7 times for a total of 42 drops, undergoing as much torture as even your toughest working conditions could provide. Following each cycle, batteries were inspected and tested for cracks or splits, damage to the radio connection, and their ability to charge and discharge. The 5 models of Motorola batteries passed the tests undamaged 88% of the time, with 3 models passing 100% of the time. The best performer of the 4 competitive brands only survived 33% of the time and failed 67% of the time. 2 brands had a 100% failure rate in the drop test. Vibration is an unavoidable hazard for a 2-way radio and its battery. Again, original Motorola batteries proved to be superior to the competition when subjected to the rigors of 3 continuous hours of sine vibration along 3 axes, and followed by 1 hour of random vibration. Following testing, the batteries were checked for cracks or splits, damage to the connector system, and their ability to charge or discharge. With the quality standards at Motorola, it wasn't surprising that the original Motorola batteries passed the vibration test 100% of the time. 0 failures. The competitors could only boast of a combined average failure rate of over 30%, with one brand failing as much as 43% of the time. Static electricity is all around and will damage electronic devices that aren't adequately protected. That's why Motorola has designed protection into the battery to prevent ESD damage to the internal circuit. Since ESD is a danger to batteries, it was important to compare brands. In the first test, each battery was subjected to discharges of 5 different voltages through a non-contact air discharge. This was repeated, reversing the polarity of the charge. Then the test was done again, with the same procedure but with direct contact to the batteries. A typical battery failure due to static electricity is the battery's inability to take a charge and provide power. 100% of the original Motorola batteries passed the ESD test with 0 failures. Compare this to the competition where the top-performing battery failed 43% of the time, and one brand failed 60% of the time.